Hi everybody. In previous class, in previous video, we discussed representation of whole numbers and number line. In this video, we are going to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So let us see how can you find. Suppose in between 2 and 5, we can find some integers. So in between 2 and 3, we have 3 and 4, two integers. Suppose I have 4 and 10. These two are integers. In between these two integers, we have 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Suppose I have 6 and 7. So what are the integers lies between 6 and 7? In between 6 and 7, there is no integers. That means in between two successive integers, there is no integers. In between two successive integers, there is no integers. But in rational numbers, in between two successive integers, there is no successive rational numbers. In between two integers, we can find infinite number of rational numbers. Suppose in between 6 and 7, we can find a rational number as this 6 plus 7 by 2. That is 6 plus 7, 13 by 2. 13 by 2 lies between 6 and 7. 13 by 2 means by dividing 13 by 2, we will get 6 and half. 6 and half lies between 6 and 7. We know very well. So this method is called mean method. Suppose if we have a and b are any two integers, or any two belongs to, this sign is called belongs to integers. Therefore a plus b by 2 lies between a and b. If a comma b are any two integers, then a plus b by 2 lies between a and b. This method is called mean method. Okay, so like this you can find a rational number between any two integers, also between two rational numbers. Suppose in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 by 2. So first simplify the numerator. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4 itself. 4 1s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 by 2. So here 3 by 4 by 2. 2 means you can write 2 by 1, that is 3 by 4 into the denominator fraction will become 1 by 2, reciprocal. So that equal 3 by 8. 3 by 8 lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Like this you can find any rational number in between given two rational numbers by using this method. So we have another method to find rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So this is somewhat difficult. That means it takes some more time to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. But next method you can find very easily compared to this method. Let us see that method. Suppose find three rational numbers between 1 and 2. Find three rational numbers between 1 and 2. So what you have to do, first you have to write 1, we can write as 1 by 1, and 2 you can write as 2 by 1. I change it into rational form, p by q form. Now 1 by 1 multiplying with 4 in numerator and denominator, and 2 by 1 into 4 by 4 multiplying with same number to both 1 by 1 and 2 by 1. So we will get 4 by 4. This will get 8 by 4. Now 4 by 4, this is 8 by 4. In between 4 by 4, sorry, it is 4 by 4. Here 5 by 4 is greater than 4 by 4 and 6 by 4 is greater than 4 by 4. 7 by 4 is greater than 4 by 4 and 7 by 4 is less than 8 by 4 because so 7 is denominators are equal. Numerator 7 is less than 8, so it is 7 by 4 is less than 8 by 4. 6 by 4 is less than 7 by 4. 5 by 4 is less than 6 by 4. So 4 by 4 is less than 5 by 4. డినామినేటర్స్ ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు న్యూమరేటర్ చిన్నగా ఉన్నది చిన్నది అవుతుంది. అంటే 7 8 కంటే చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది, 6 7 కంటే చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది, 5 6 కంటే చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది, 4 అనేది 5 కంటే చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. అంటే దీనికంటే ఇవన్నీ పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి, దీనికంటే ఇవి చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి. అంటే 4 by 4కి 8 by 4కి ఈ మూడు మధ్యలో ఉంటాయి. సో దీస్ 3 are lies between 4 by 4 and 8 by 4. That means what is 4 by 4? It is actually 1 and it is 2. Therefore these 5 by 4, 6 by 4 and 7 by 4 are lies between 1 and 2. Like this we can find any number of rational numbers between given two rational numbers. సో ఈ విధంగా మనం ఎన్ని అంటే అన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సపోజ్ మనం ఒక 10 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలని అనుకుందాం. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ సో ఫైండ్ 10 రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ బిట్వీన్ 1 and 2. వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? జస్ట్ సేమ్ 1 by 1, 2 by 1. Multiply with 11 on numerator and denominator by 11. So what will get 11 by 11? This is 22 by 11. So in between these two we can write 12 by 11, 13 by 11, 14 by 11, 15 by 11, 16 by 11, 17 by 11. Like this we can write up to 21 by 11. ఇవే కాదు ఇంకెన్ని అంటే అన్ని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఒకవేళ డైరెక్ట్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, సపోజ్ 3 by 5 and it is 7 by 5. In between these two rational numbers we can write directly 4 by 5 and 6 by 5, two rational numbers between these two. అంటే మనకి డైరెక్ట్గా కూడా రాయ వీలుంటే రాసుకోవచ్చు. వీలు లేనప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఈ విధంగా మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. హియర్ we written only two rational numbers between these two rational numbers. If we want to write more rational numbers, you have to multiply with some number to 3 by 5 and 7 by 5. Suppose I want to find 10 rational numbers. You have to multiply with 11 or 10 into 10 into 10. Here into 10, 10. So 30 by 50, it is 70 by 50. In between 30 by 50 and 70 by 50, we can write 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, 34. Like this we can write so many. 32 by 50, they dash up to 69 by 50. We'll get rational numbers between these two. Okay, so like you can find rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So this is the process. So this is easy calculation than the first method. By taking some more examples, you have to practice more, then you can understand easily by both methods. Okay, thank you very much.